So many stories of hope. You know, every day we are spotlighting the helpers in our community, people who are going above and beyond to make a difference. And today we want to introduce you to Heath Anderson. He owns and operates Fresh the Juice Bar in Issaquah. And for the last several weeks, he's delivered over 1,000 smoothies to healthcare workers all over Western Washington. He started his company about 7 years ago at the farmers market in Issaquah, and he opened up his restaurant about 4 years ago. And business has been slowed a great deal due to the pandemic. So he decided to keep busy by doing what he does best, serving all natural smoothies made from fresh produce, gluten-free granola, acai bowls, things that are healthy but filling, which he says has been perfect for healthcare workers who could really use the fuel.
And I've always loved volunteering. I've been doing it my entire life. And I figured, I can't control what's going on right now. Nobody can. I'm applying for every type of loan and grant there is. I haven't heard anything yet. But in the meanwhile, I might as well keep myself busy and do what I like to do, which is helping out other people.
Well, so far, they have made over 1,000 smoothies for healthcare workers all over our region. And Heath says his goal is to continue that work and start a charity to show gratitude to first responders and hospital workers.
We're all in this together. Keep doing what you do, and we're going to support you however we can. I can't make masks, and I can't do all these other things, but I can make smoothies. So I might as well make smoothies and help them out a little bit.
Well, Heath started a campaign called Smoothies For Smiles so he can keep buying the supplies to deliver those goods. To find out how you can help or just get involved, go to our website, q13fox.com.